The wait is over. The legend is back, but this time in a bold new avatar. BMW is ready to redefine the compact off-road segment with the global launch of its Mini Jeep 2026, a futuristic blend of classic design and cutting-edge German engineering. This isn't just a small SUV, it's a statement, a lifestyle, a vehicle built for those who want to feel the thrill of the outdoors without compromising on urban sophistication. From the very first glance, the Mini Jeep 2026 grabs your attention. Its iconic boxy stance is a tribute to vintage off-roaders, but with BMW's signature modern touch. Sleek LED matrix headlights, a rugged new front grille, wider fenders, and raised ground clearance make it ready to tackle rough trails, yet stylish enough for city streets. The 2026 model also introduces new metallic dual-tone color options, including alpine green, urban matte gray, and sunset copper, shades that scream personality. Under the hood, BMW has packed a punch. The Mini Jeep 2026 comes in two variants: a turbocharged 1.5-liter three-cylinder petrol engine producing 185 horsepower, and a fully electric version with a 260-mile EPA-rated range and instant torque delivery. Both variants are mated to BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, offering exceptional grip and control, whether you're cruising through snow, sand, or slippery highways. Its adaptive suspension automatically adjusts based on terrain, making your off-road experience smoother and smarter than ever. Step inside, and you're greeted with the luxury and tech you'd expect from BMW, now in a compact, rugged shell. The dashboard features a curved 10.25-inch digital display, seamlessly merging the instrument cluster and infotainment into one. BMW's new iDrive 9 system supports voice command, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates. Ambient lighting adjusts with your driving mode, creating a dynamic cabin environment. The materials used are sustainable, yet premium: vegan leather seats, recycled aluminum trim, and soft-touch panels that show BMW's commitment to both style and sustainability. Comfort is not sacrificed despite the Mini Jeep's size. It has a surprisingly spacious interior, offering ample headroom and legroom, even for tall passengers. Rear seats are foldable, giving you more than 900 liters of cargo space, enough for adventure gear, camping essentials, or your weekly shopping. Dual-zone climate control, a panoramic glass sunroof, and a 12-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound system enhance the journey, no matter where you're headed. Safety, as always with BMW, is top tier. The Mini Jeep 2026 comes equipped with BMW's Active Driving Assistant, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree surround view camera system. There's also a new off-road camera mode that gives you a live feed of your wheel angles and surroundings when you're navigating tricky trails.